On question 12, I'm subtracting the rational expressions, and I need to get an LCD. And my first step in getting an LCD is to factor my denominators as much as possible. So the left fraction, what two numbers multiply together to give you -10, but add together to give you +3, that would be a +5 and a -2. And the second fraction, I'm just going to put parentheses around. So for my LCD, I have 1 x plus 5 here. I don't have any x plus 5's here, but it's the greatest number of times you see it in any one denominator. So because I see it once, I need to have it once. Here I have 1x minus 2. Here I have 1x minus 2. So the greatest number of times that you see it is once in any one denominator. So we need an x minus 2. Okay, so the left fraction already has the LCD, so I don't need to multiply that by anything. But the right fraction, it's missing an x plus 5. So I need to put an x plus 5 here. And then to keep it legal, you need to also multiply the top by x plus 5. So when I'm simplifying this, I need to FOIL the tops there. And that's going to get you x squared minus 2x minus 35. So when I combine these, I'm just going to copy the denominator, and it's going to be x squared minus 39. Each of these signs in the second one, because of the subtraction, need to get reversed, because it's like you're multiplying by a -1. So it's going to be a minus x squared plus 2x plus 35. So if I simplify that, x squared minus x squared, they go away. I have a 2x, and then -39 plus 35 is -4. And I have an x plus 5, x minus 2. Now I've combined like terms, but I also want to try to simplify this answer. So we can actually factor 2 out of the top, which reveals that we have an x minus 2 on the top. And because we have one on the bottom, those two will cancel out, which will leave us with 2 over x plus 5. So even after you finish adding or subtracting, make sure that you try to simplify your answer as far as possible.